Hey, happy birthday tomorrow, Crummy. If I'm live, I probably am. I'm gonna sing for you, bro. Share some love to my boy Steve. Steve in the scene. Drop him a follow, share him some love. I gotta ready to run, so I gotta chill with the girls and eat. I'm hungry. Arr. Nice stream, guys. Thank you for loving the IRL. Having fun. Yeah, thank you guys for being there too and for loving what we do, of course, champs. That's highly appreciated, Foodie fam. I can close this app. Close this down too. I'm gonna give you all a big boy hug. Foodie fam for life, baby. Big boy hug. Mod squad, thank you for having my back. Hey, no worries, Greg. You gotta do what you gotta do, bro. Good luck with work on the first day of the week. I hope you all have a fantastic start of the week. Sorry for the hard times this week, by the way. But hey, this weekend we were grinding and rumbling as well. So lots of love for loving that. Thanks for the subbies, the primes, the biddies, the love, the new followers. And I hope to see you all tomorrow, guys. So, tomorrow, I see you tomorrow, my lovely Foodie fam. Hey, all good, Greg. Hey, you got it. Work is important, bro. You got to do work, my man. But definitely thank you for the love and for being there and chilling and lurking while working. I see you tomorrow, legends. Peace and lots of love. Foodie fam po. Foodie fam for life,
baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And if you didn't push that follow button yet, do yourself a favor. Push it. Peace.